close this, swap back to this tab, make sure that the window capture is correct. That's not correct. Oh god, no. Okay, that's right. Then show it. It might be the wrong size. Okay. Okay. So let's get the URL. Okay, the URL's in the Discord. So Nathan, go to the Discord. Oh shit. Okay, so are we gonna do Dang It versus Nathan? How do you make custom rules? Oh, I actually disabled that. We both randomed yellow, really? Yeah, click it, Nathan. Yeah. Alright. So this is Dang It versus Nathan. I'll commentate. I'm commentating this. There's too much light on my face. Is that too little light? Ah, fuck it. Actually, I might move this over. Can I do that? Okay. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, you have to click ready. Yeah, okay. Okay, so Nathan doesn't know how to play, so Nathan's gonna be really bad. Dang, it's gonna fucking whoop. So this is my game. I guess I'll commentate this. This is my game. Worked really hard on it. So there's like a board. It's like a grid.
Collision.
And there's two bases. And what you do is you have like a bunch of blocks, and you can put the blocks on empty squares, okay? And you're basically trying to get your color into their base before they get their color into your base. That's how you win. And so you place blocks down and you place them simultaneously. If you both move on the same square, it's a collision, and then the move gets nullified and you can't go there anymore. It creates like a wall, basically. And so the plus lets you, from that square, go up, down, left to right, 1, tile, and then the X does diagonal 1 tile, and then circle means 2 tiles, so it jumps over 1 square and goes to the next one. And arrows point in one direction, so they only go to the square that they point to. So dang it, just one, and you can see the path being highlighted. So Nathan's learning the game right now. Nathan hasn't played it before. So from the base, it's like there's 8 directions you can go, and you can see that represented by the color. Well, I want to make a Switch version of this, actually. I signed up to their development website, but yeah. So some of the blocks you have limited quantities of, but just the regular plus and X, you have infinite of those. And there's also a circle block, and you can place the circle on a square that has a block on it that's not already circled. That's also not the base. Sorry if that was confusing. So because you have 2 circles, you can sometimes disrupt their path by like circling one of their, like if they have like an arrow, for example, you could like circle it to try to sabotage it. The flashing squares are like the last move that just got played. Which piece covers the most squares? The 8-way little like kind of asterisk block does, but that like you don't want to just cover squares though, because the tricky thing about this game is if you get to a block, okay, like if your color reaches a block, it doesn't matter who placed the block. It doesn't matter who placed the block. The blocks are used by both players. So when you're building your path to their base, you have to be mindful that they can use your path against you. And so you have to play like with that in mind.
Collision.
How can you use someone else's path? Let's say they place a plus somewhere, and they place that plus with the intention of using it to get to your base. If you reach the plus, then you can also use the plus. So you can use the plus to your advantage even though they placed it. You have to play in your color? No, you can put a block anywhere on the board as long as it's not already occupied. Like, it has to be blank. The one exception, the only exception is the circle, which you have to place on non-circled block squares. Yes, the turns are simultaneous. You have a 30-second window to input your move, and then both moves go down at the same time. And if they're on the same square, then it's a collision. That is me saying collision. I was gonna have a different sound effect for it, but people thought it was like kind of a silly thing. I'll probably have a different sound effect for it later. If your color hits a piece of their color, it's disabled? No! The colors blend together and both players have access to that square. In this case, because the colors are randomly assigned to the players, so like yellow and blue are not preset colors, it's just like randomly generated. and then it does some math. It like adds yellow and blue together, and in this case it gives you like this kind of 50% gray, but you can get some kind of nice blends. Like if you're red and they're blue, you get this like nice purple when the colors blend together. You need help, Nathan. Nathan, are you listening? Are you listening? Alright, let's commentate this match. Do I play chess? I do sometimes. Chess 960. Implement a colorblind option. There could probably be a mode where it just like disables all the random colors and forces it to be like two colors that are like not confusable even if you're colorblind. That could be like an option or something. You're having trouble following the moves. Okay, so they both place down arrows. So like, dang it, place that yellow arrow going to the left because once dang it accesses that jump plus, the arrow will lead into Nathan's base. So now dang it just has to get to the jump plus, which can be accessed from the plus, which can be accessed from the arrow. So now all dang it has to do is get the yellow to that arrow, that right pointing blue arrow. If dang it can get the yellow color to that blue arrow, then dang it wins. Meanwhile, Nathan is kind of stuck on the right side and is not really making much progress. See, now if dang it gets that plus, then dang it wins. See, the path is getting shorter, so now literally the only thing that needs to happen now is dang it needs to connect. Dang it needs to connect the yellow with that 8-way block, and then it's over. It's over. So there's like multiple ways to do that. Like dang it could place a circle on the arrow or place a block in between. So there's multiple options. So you can't guarantee a collision. So dang it has like multiple ways to win on this turn. Although, yeah, there it is. So dang it placed the circle on the yellow arrow, and that won the game. Collisions can happen on a circle, but the only way for that to happen is if both players use a circle, and typically that's an incredibly insanely risky move, because if you're placing a circle on a block and then they're gonna try to block you, they have to know you're placing the circle on that turn. If they guess wrong and you're not placing it on that turn, then they put the circle on it, which is beneficial to you. So the riskiest move you can even do is to collide a circle. But dang it got a collision with my circle in that fucking demonstration we did earlier, which was like insane. I was like, holy shit, because that's like such a critical move. Can you join the Discord so you can play? Yeah, just join the Discord. Go for it. The Discord link isn't working? No, Volphy, no. Yes, you can place the symbols anywhere. Anywhere that's like open. And I have a lot of ideas for like alternative modes in which there's like limitations or like different blocks and stuff. And I've already started creating some of that. I kind of disabled it for this version of the game right now, but like there's stuff like you got like a board editor and like selecting exactly what blocks are like in the game, because you could like set how much ammo you have of each type of block and like add other types of blocks that aren't shown here. And there's more that I have to program too. So I have a channel in the Discord that's like not publicly accessible right now, but I could like promote people who are like interested in trying it. Yeah, you just use your Twitter. I mean, I suppose I could play you Lamo if you want to. I'll probably bop you though. Kororo. I'm using Node.js, JavaScript. I'm using Socket.io. I'm using jQuery. Alright, do you want to play Lamo? I'll play you.
Collision.
Blow by blow commentary. Alright, well, I'm constructing a path. To win. Trying to connect it backwards. Oh, that was a good move though. See, what just happened was like, I wanted to use this plus jump to get to the arrow. But because of this move, now they have access to it too, which could be beneficial to them. Kind of like making a circuit, sure. See, I'm gonna connect with this now. It's gonna be advantageous for me to do that. Will I promote people who aren't subs or patrons? I could promote some people probably. You can place any of these bottom pieces. They have like ammo limitations though. I call it ammo, I don't know what to call it. $137.
You win.
Alright, so I made a path. It's kind of like a board game. I'm probably like not the person Lamo should be playing right now. As far as I know, I'm the best at the game. But maybe it's a way to learn. Alright, let's go. I could play Dang It. Maybe Lamo should play Nathan, and I should play Dang It or something. Or I could just watch. I don't know what I want to do. I don't know. Wow, this board is ridiculous. Price range. I guess if it was on the Switch, it would cost money. I don't know. Oh my. Alright.
You win.
Okay, I might play Dang It. I want a new color. Oh, I got yellow again, really? Wait, no, Dang It's yellow too. Yeah, there's no undo, so it's like once you move, you're committed to it. So you can like pop into other games that have already been played and like see what happens. And there's a graphical glitch where it like shows the path on both boards. It's kind of, I have to fix that. Wait, new color, okay, cool. Okay, fight me. Why did I hear a timeout? Was that from the other game? What the fuck? Is there a timer glitch? Okay, I don't know. I'm having a good time. Uh-oh. I see. Oh, the horror. I'm making a whirlwind of bullshit in the center of this fucking... I'm just trying shit right now, but I don't think it's working, basically. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Collision.
Oh my god.
Draw game.
Alright, draw. I keep getting like glitch timeouts. I have like some glitches in this game. It's not affecting the game at all. It's just making noise.
Collision. You win.
You can play circles at any moment.
Game over.
Oh my goodness. I was like too focused on my stupid shit at the top that I was doing.
Collision. Collision. You win.
Sometimes you end up in a situation where it's like, if you place a circle, you're gonna win, or like almost win. But you don't want to do it right away, because it's like, That might be too obvious. So like the rare chance of a circle collision, which if it happens, it would like crush your entire strategy. You want to protect yourself. So like you just want to play super defensive and then like throw in the circle at some point. So I was like kind of doing that. Good night, Geo Tyler. I'm still getting the glitch timer. Whoops.
Collision. Collision.
Welcome to the vortex of death.
Collision.
Oh my god.
Collision.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I know, it would be perfect on the Switch. I need to make it for the Switch. I have to do that. Okay.
You win.
Okay. Wow, that was ridiculous. I don't know if I like this. Did I already fuck up? I'm like, I'm choking really bad. This is horrible. Yeah, this is really shitty. I'm so fucked. Holy fucking hell. Is this even salvageable? Uh Oh my fucking god. Okay.
Collision.
Oh my fucking god.
Game
Yeah,
over.
I didn't have any more circles. I couldn't do anything about that. I like got myself in a horrible situation like right away. Ugh. Okay, last one. The final showdown. How many people are playing right now? 7 people?
You win.
That was a short one. I don't even know what happened really. Alright, GG's, dang it. Yeah, 7 people are like online. Harold, did you want to play me? We have to discover the metagame, okay? What is the ultimate strategy? How do you win? How do you win in this game? Who knows how to win?
Collision.
Wait, what? What the fuck just happened? Yeah. It's seen now. Now you all know. Okay. Wait a minute. Harold's. Oh, wait. Okay. Spectating games is still kind of like a glitchy mess, to be honest. So I need to fix some shit. Synergism. Hello. Okay, synergism. You're trying to get your color into my base before my color reaches your base, and we do this by placing blocks on the board. The blocks come down simultaneously. You have a 30-second window to place. And you can't see where the other person placed until you both place. And from the base, you have your color spread out in all 8 directions. And then you basically need to use the blocks to spread your influence around, basically. Oh, excuse me. So like I'm spreading out my yellow right now. 'Cause like that's like what I'm doing. There's like glitchy timeouts. I need to fix this shit. It's like glitchy. But I'm not explaining this very well. I hate this yellow color. I need to change my fucking color. Can we restart? Yeah.
Game over.
Yeah, I created this. Selena, who are you in my Twitch chat? Oh, okay.
You win.
Alright, I'm gonna play Selena. New color, new color, new color, new color. I like that one. Wait, this game is glitchy. What? Look how glitchy this game is. What the fuck? Okay, hold on. What the fuck is happening? Okay, new create game. Okay. Goddamn. I guess when there's like a shitload of people, it's like glitching out really badly. Oh, it's Cynicism joined. Okay, the thing about spectating right now, you have to join before anyone else. There we go. Okay, it's working now. I need to fix this shit. It's so fucking glitchy. Alright, let's go. This was created using Node Socket.io Express jQuery JavaScript.
Collision.
The colored area represents your current,
You win.
like, where you can reach on that turn. Sometimes it's not very indicative of like what the game situation is, because there's like a lot of stuff that if only you could reach it, then it would like set off a chain reaction and then win the game or whatever. But I don't know. So yeah, it just shows your reach like on that particular turn. Let me see who else is playing, or we could rematch. Yeah, like unless you get that blue around your base or like the color around your base to like actually connect with something, then you're not going to be able to get anywhere. All right, rematch, Harold, Selena. Oh, Juan T, you want to play me? Okay, I'll play Juan T after this game. Oh, that's correct, Tactile. I don't know how to. I don't know what you mean, sarcasm.
Collision.
All right. All right.
Collision. You win.
All right. That was a better game. GG. All right. Juanti, where are you? Yeah, GG. Literally no reason at all except that Socket.io was used for the internet gameplay shit. Are you Jeremy? Anyway, it seemed like there was like a fit between Express and Socket.io or something like that to do an online multiplayer. I mean, I don't know anything about anything tactile. Like, you gotta keep that in mind. I ruined your life, Nathan. Nathan, we need to come up with the optimal gameplay. How would you become a master at this game? What does the game look like when both players are top level? These are the questions that remain unanswered and that must be investigated. There are places that would hire me with this in SRL's portfolio. I don't doubt it. But I want to work on my shit though. I don't want to work on some other shit that I'm not like invested in.
Collision.
God damn it. Oh my god. I guess that was obvious. Okay.
You win.
Did you want to rematch, Wanty? I think it might send the timeout command from every game to everybody. Maybe that's why it makes the noise.
Collision.
It's funny, it actually works on Android. You just need the user interface is not built for mobile though. Like I'd have to design a mobile UI, which I could do.
Collision. Collision.
I think I might be done with Zelda for the night.
You win.
GG. Alright, I'm gonna see who else is playing right now. Okay, there's like a couple games happening. This is kind of fun. Robbie. Yeah, 1 second. Wait, Robbie, type something in the dungeon. Alright, Robbie. You're in. You're in, Robbie. Why is that glitch happening with the audio? Finds timeout. Ah, does IO emit timeout? It's not supposed to do that. It should be IO2 game ID emit. Is game ID... Yeah, I have game ID. IO.2 game ID dot emit. There we go. That should fix the timeout glitch, but I'd have to like restart the server. So I'll do that like later. No one beat me except for Dang It, but I won most of the matches. I also created the game, so it makes sense that I'm the best at it. I'm drinking chocolate Soylent. Alright. Who else is playing right now? Juan T versus Robbie. And Nathan versus Bryker. Your colors are so similar. I don't know what to do about the colors. I like having like huge amounts of possible colors, but sometimes people's colors are too close. I actually tried to implement an algorithm that would rotate the colors away from each other in brightness and hue so that the colors wouldn't look too similar. But I don't think I finished working on that algorithm, so sometimes it's kind of like this where the blues are really close together. It's not that close. Could be worse. You hate being able to change color only once. Yeah, so Synergism, the way it works, for every game you play, you have a small chance of, I think it's like a 1 in 5 chance or something, for every game you play, of gaining a color swap. And then for every game you win, I think you have like a 3 out of 5 chance or something like that of gaining another color swap. So like the more you win, the more you can refresh your color. It's like I could just have a color selection or a button you could spam, but I thought it might be kind of cute to make it so you have to like earn your color. Yeah. If you want a ranking system, all we have to do is add ELO and make it work, and then add a database. But the database, I don't know what to do. If anyone wants to help me get a database working really well, then let me know.
Collision.
We could totally have a leaderboard. It could be like username in their color, which would be saved in the database, right? And then it'd have wins, draws, and losses. And then it would have your elo. And it would rank by your elo. It's so doable. I just need a database. Holy shit, someone help me. I had MongoDB working, but... Well, it is an achievement to get the color that you want, because every time you refresh your color, it's like a random color. So to get the color you want, you gotta fucking win a lot and refresh until you find it.
Collision.
Pricing. Is there such a thing? I have a VPS. I don't know if I need to pay money for any more shit. I think I just need a database that works. Some sort of database. I don't know. It just should work well with like Node and like Socket.io. I thought about that, Brentis. I didn't think about actually designing that, but that's something like that's possible. It'd be kind of different though. It'd be different. Simultaneous connections. I don't understand what you mean though. I would just want it to update the stats after every game and push it into the database, and then when people load the front page or wherever the ranking system is, it would have the updated stats because it would fetch it from the database. It should be really simple. I just need to figure out how to do it. I mean, I don't doubt that you could create some sort of hexagon version of this, but like...
Collision.
There's like 100 other things I'd rather do first before worrying about hexagon version. What is this game right now? Holy shit. What the fuck is happening right now?
Collision.
What is happening? What the fuck? I think they ran out of pieces and they're just like scrambling at this point.
Collision.
Oh, what a collision. That's ridiculous. Holy shit. This game is insane right now. Holy shit. Fucking 32 turns. It's still not even like, it's not even gonna be over. Oh, there it is. There it is. Holy shit. Oh my god. Look at that path. Ridiculous. Have I heard of Firebase? Is Firebase what you're supposed to use for like large scale application deployment? Where you have like 1,000 users online at once? Three draws in a row? Okay, look. I need to check out. Or wait. Oh, you're not playing right now. What kind of queries I'd want? I would want to get like a list of maybe like the top 50 or top 100 players ranked by their elo stat every time someone loads a page. Or like every time someone clicks like exit to lobby in the corner. Yeah, I don't know anything about this shit though, Nessus. Like I don't know how to do this shit. Everyone's elo's 0 because it's not working yet. I need to like get a database. Are there any people in my chat right now who like know about this shit? Or is it just a bunch of eyeballs watch like a bunch of silent eyeballs peering in? Yeah, unfortunately the win-loss ratio is going to be reset until we get a database working. So we don't have permanent stats right now. when you join a game in progress as a spectator, you don't get the timer and you don't get like prior moves. So I need to like fix some shit. It's kind of broken.
Collision.
Everyone's so quiet. So quiet. I guess it's really late. I should probably sleep soon. Yeah, like I don't understand what to do, Ness. I don't know what to do. I need help. I need some people to help me. The spaces behind the bases. If you have like an okay, one thing you can do is like, let's say there's an arrow pointed into your base and they're gonna win using the arrow. And so what you can do is you can circle the arrow so the arrow goes behind your base. And then start to play off behind your base, trying to block, like put arrows like away. And you get into the corners. And sometimes if you have like a mess of arrows like in front of your base, the battle will go off to the sides. But typically the closer to the corner of the board, the less relevant the square is. Like you're not going to be using like the very corners almost ever. It could happen, but it's like rare. And you're not going to use the edge pieces as frequently as like the middle of the board. The middle of the board is like hot, it's like relevant. Um, yeah, you can. I was gonna make like a fully fledged board editor where you could choose the, the size of the board, the shape of the board, and then also place terrain on the board. And I also created a random board generator where it'll create like a random size board and it'll place the bases like across from each other, kind of like diagonally. And then it'll fill the board with like all sorts of like random pieces. It won't fill it, but they'll just be like certain pieces already on the board. And there's also
Collision.
I coded an ice square, so like you can have an ice square where like you land on it and then you keep going in that direction one square. And so that's like already part of the code. And it's not in this version of it right now. But if I just changed a couple little things, I could get ice. And I also made a bunch of other pieces too. There's like kind of like these two-way blocks, and there's also like a knight from chess, like the L shape. And there's other stuff I'm gonna add later. Alright, Nessus, if you want to like walk me through that or like help me figure out how to use it, then maybe we could do it. Yeah, this is the thing I was working on. I put a lot of hours into this, but we need to put in more hours. I decided to finally show it because it's like, I don't know, I've just been sitting on it so long. It's like, fuck it. Oh my god.
Collision.
The game between Nathan and Bryker is always crazy. It's cool to see people play it. Thanks for playing it. I'm probably gonna sleep soon. Create a mechanism, create a circuit. Yeah. I don't really know how, it's hard for me to describe. It takes a while to like explain it. There's a tweet that's like, this needs to be retweeted endlessly, and it's screenshots, allegedly, of a conversation with Twitter support saying, if you get 450,000 retweets, we will add an edit tweet option. And this just strikes me as like obviously fake. And there's 100,000 retweets on it. Are you fucking serious, people? This person just wants your retweets. There's no way that's real. Fuck that. God. Stupid people. Stupid. You know, these two seem pretty evenly matched. Oh, the top half only. Well, SVA 43, I think that now that I've shown it, I really, really, really need to get a database and a ranking. Once we get those two things, then people will really want to play. Then they'll want to fucking get to the top of the ranking. And then it'll be fucking legitimate. But we need a database. I need some help.
Collision.
Blocking people can be good, but here's something to think about. If you're constructing it from their base to yours, there's actually a lot of possibilities, so it's hard to block that. It's like really hard to block that kind of thing. If you're constructing from your base to theirs, that's easier to block it because it's more like telegraphed. Like you have like limited options, but when you can build anywhere, then you have a lot more options. So, God, I feel like I look terrible today. Like, why do I look so bad? Like, what the fuck? I feel like greasy or something. I'm gonna get all this hair cut off pretty soon, so it's gonna be a whole new me. A whole new me. I just feel kind of greasy. Not the best feeling. Well, tabletop version. The thing is, like, Something like an iPad would be fine, but like you want your move, like the way I have it set up, it's like the moves are simultaneous and you don't know what they do until you both go. So it's kind of tricky. Pretty short, pretty short. Oh, see, like if Lou is watching right now, look what just happened. That arrow, see that's exactly what I'm talking about. It's like that arrow would have let Nathan win, but then the jump was attached to it. And now there's merit to working behind the base. Although it seems that's not what's happening now. Like, forget a tabletop version of this. Put this on the Nintendo Switch. It'd be awesome. Fuck yeah. I came up with this when I was like 10 years old or something like that. Like maybe I was like 11. And I came up with like a version of this. And it's just evolved over time. Sell it for $5 on the Switch? Like, sure, yeah, why not? Is it an auto draw when the pieces run out? No, because you have infinite pluses and X's. Now, it is possible to have an impossible situation where you can't win, or that neither player could win, but I don't have any code that checks for that kind of situation, so the game just like continues forever.
Collision. Collision.
8 wins, 10 losses, 3 draws. It's so close between these two. Is this the only game going on right now? Yeah. What in the fuck is happening? What is happening? I don't know what is happening. They're playing fast, but also weird, kind of a weird start to this one. I'm actually looking forward to this haircut. I'm like sick of this hair. I don't know. I like it, but I'm ready to change it up. I feel like I look like hell right now. Ugh. Now here's the question. Do I upload this stream as well? I'm recording it. But I've only been uploading Breath of the Wild streams lately. So I don't know if I should like upload this one too. I mean, I guess I could. A visual bug where the highlighting the winning path is off. I know one visual bug related to that, but what do you mean? Yeah, I'll probably upload it. The collision stuff, what do you mean? Which game is that? I don't know, that's strange. I know if you click multiple... Whoops, I just refreshed. Wait, is Nathan done? I don't know what's happening anymore. Hey, I think I might sleep. I might go to sleep. We need a database. Someone help me get a database working. Please let me get the database working. Yeah, Synergism. There's some issues when there's like more than 2 people online. This game is awesome. Well, thank you, Lamo. I'm glad you like it. We need a ranking though. Like, seriously, we need database and ranking. Then the fun begins. Yeah, alright. Anyway, if you want to talk about the shit, come to the Discord. What is this? Oh, Undead Robbie, are you in Firefox? Are you in Firefox? Because I think this might be a Firefox glitch that I don't know how to solve. I think this happened before. I think that's from Firefox being Firefox. Or just like a different browser. Like, I pretty much only tested it in Chrome. There's some like problems. Yeah. I don't know how to fix that. That needs to be fixed. I don't know. I'm ready to go to sleep. For some reason I'm feeling kind of like ugly and like tired. Oh, being tired kind of makes sense, but I'm just kind of like not. I don't feel social basically. I feel like I need to like go away, and we need to get a database working. So anyway, thank you for watching, and good night.
Disconnected.